Hey ladies, it's Dr. Evans here. Today I'm going to talk to you about what is a perineoplasty and how does that actually help. And what I was able to do, okay, don't make fun of me because I always use my little rigid model, which is my trusty model right here, but I kind of recently upgraded and I got something a lot softer, okay? So this is my vagina model. I'm going to call her Rosie. Yes, again, don't make fun of Dr. Evans here, but I'm just trying to help and educate. So this is labia minora. This is labia majora. There's various things that we can do here to make these organs more comfortable, but there's something I want to talk to you about today. It's called a perineoplasty. This is actually one of my favorite procedures that are out there. The reason why is because as we age, as we go through childbirth, different things like that, that area can tend to sag to where we have very little to almost no tissue there for the perineum. This is the rectum here. And again, this is the vagina here, okay? So because we have very little tissue here, that angle of the vagina is actually changed. We end up with this gaping vagina look. For some ladies, that's completely fine. There's nothing wrong. Again, you don't have to fix it. But for other ladies, if it starts to bother them, there's certain things that we can do to actually reapproximate these tissues and bring those muscles together, like so, that we end up with a more youthful aesthetic appearance to this, okay? And then as you can see, as these tissues come together, we end up with a longer perineum. And again, this is the perineum right there, okay? So that is an illustration on my model of what is a perineoplasty. We do offer consultations here at Sugarland Medical Spa so we can figure out what procedure is right for you. Certainly, the perineoplasty isn't right for everybody. It is considered a surgical procedure. We do offer non-invasive options here too to also help tighten and build up this area here. But if the muscles are weak, i.e. when we do Kegels, if we can hardly feel it, then the perineoplasty may be the right option for you. So visit us today to find out if this is the right candidate, if this is the right choice for you. Again, sugarlandmedspa.com.